Hi everyone, this is SBX and you're watching my YouTube channel. Finally, I'm making a video and I know it's been a long time since I've made one, and this has mainly been due to technical difficulties. My laptop sucks and I have to edit all my videos on my phone. Because twice this has happened that I've made full-fledged videos, edited it out, and when I'm downloading the video crashes and the app, I don't know what happens and I'm not able to download it. It's very disheartening and it just creates a mental block in your head while making another video, especially when it takes me hours to like edit. I'm just a rookie right now. So enough of the ranting session, let's just dive into today's video. I thought that I'll do 7 day and 7 looks, and I'm clearly inspired by Vogue because I really enjoyed watching all of those videos that Vogue produced, and I thought it's a fun video to shoot, and I'm just gonna give you some styling tips as well. So just stay tuned and let's dive into the video. So this is my working Monday outfit. I'm wearing a shirt with the cargo pants. This is mainly because Monday, it's kind of semi-formal, especially when most of us are doing work at home right now. One good thing about camouflage patterns is that it goes with everything. It literally goes with everything. You pair it with a bright color, you pair it with neutral colors, you pair it with any sort of colors that will go with that. I prefer rolling my sleeves up because I think it looks a little more chic, and because it is summer, it is more required. You can pair this outfit with a bunch of sneakers, with shoes, with heels, with anything, because this is something which is very versatile. At the same time, you can layer it up a little if it's more chilly. Boots looks really nice with this outfit because I personally love boots. I can wear it in summers as well, but it's up to you. I think I would want to add some color to the outfit, so I would go with the belt, which is colorful. This is a dual belt and I'm going to use the orange side of it because I think this will look cool. I've recently gotten into these necklaces. This from H&M. They're like not very heavy. And especially if you're working, you do not like to, I personally do not like to accessorize much. Further, I'm adding a backpack to this. Now, I'm a person who loves backpacks, and that's the reason I'm taking this, especially when you're going out for working. This is what you should actually carry. Voila! This is done. I think this is the outfit. And don't worry, I'm going to link all the things down the description box below because a lot of this is very old stuff and I don't think you'll be able to, get this. But I'll try my level best. If I get some substitute, I'll put the links for that if you want to buy. And that's it. This is my Tuesday workout outfit. Now, I don't usually go to the gym like that. This is something that you can use outside the gym as well. I really love this jacket. It's a beautiful color, beautiful color. And this is something which has got a lot of variations. It's got like a pocket in the back. It's really cute. And there's a zip here as well, so it's got a hood as well. This is something which is all season. It can be worn anywhere, anytime. It's a super comfy outfit. If you are into sporty outfits like I am, I think this is the perfect fit for you. I'm wearing sneakers with this. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll know that I wear this all the time. I think I have even gotten comments on this that buy new sneakers, but these are super comfortable. Like this, there's no shoe more comfortable than this one. You should go for this. It is an investment buy. It's from Adidas Originals. It's like one of the best sneakers that I've ever purchased. One thing that you should notice about this outfit is that there's a lot of contrast happening. So if I'm pairing something which is neon and something which is really bright, I should pair it with a black or a white color. So I'm pairing this with a bag. Now this is actually a gym bag of mine. This is exactly not a gym bag, but it is a very big bag, and I just use big bags when I have to carry a lot of stuff. So this is something that I use. And it just looks really nice with the outfit, and you can actually wear this outfit to the mall as well. It's not necessary that you have to wear it to the gym, right? So I'm not going to accessorize the outfit because it doesn't need any accessories according to me. So I think this is it. This is what the outfit is like. This is going to be my next very casual Wednesday look. It's a very simple top and shorts kind of a situation. So what I'm going to do is wear this outfit right now. I'm just going to add a shrug over it and let's see how it goes. I think this is something which is very simple at the same time different, because the shrug adds a lot of character to the basic outfit, and at the same time this can be turned into two ways. If I'm going out, I think I'll go with boots, or if I'm going to a beach or something, I'm gonna go with something more casual like slippers or something like that. So this is how this looks with boots. I think it really matches, and the reason that I chose brown boots was because it added a little bit of contrast, and that is what the outfit needed, and I just felt that brown will be a perfect color to, you know, achieve that contrast that I wanted. Which is casual, it is something which is very comfortable because it's denim shorts and a pretty top. Accessorizing this outfit with some colored hoops. And I think I'm just going to add a small clutch with this. And the reason that I chose this wallet was because I wanted to justify the contrast with the boots. So this is what comprises of your Wednesday afternoon. And hope you like the outfit. Okay, so because I'm shooting my YouTube video on a Thursday, I'm gonna call this officially as my Thursday outfit. As you can see, it's just a boxy t-shirt. I've tied it here. At the same time, I've paired this with my boxy distressed jeans. This is a really casual outfit. You can wear this to a mall, you can wear this to a market. I'm pairing my heels with this, and this is mainly because these heels are very comfortable. You can also pair this with a pair of white sneakers. As you can see, the whole outfit is analogous, which means that it belongs to similar colors of the same family, which is blue right now. So I'm working with white, blue, navy blue and all of that. I have also worn a belt with this. I'm going with a black belt. I think black is a pretty obvious color to have, and it goes with everything. Another thing that I would prefer to pair this outfit with would be a crossbody bag. This is mainly a very big crossbody bag, but it fits everything. Easy to carry, they're very comfortable whenever you have to go around, you have to, you know, spend some time outside and you have to walk a lot. I think these are the bags that you should go for, either these or backpacks, and especially when you're going for shopping or you're going for, you know, something which involves a lot more energy and a lot more of you to walk. I think you should go for these bags. And that's your Thursday. Okay, so this is my Friday night outfit, and I love this jeans. This jeans is from Zara. I am a denim hoarder, and this jeans is what I actually needed. I was literally praying that some brand makes this color in denims, and I just try this. So because this jeans is a really pop color, I wanted to pair this with something more neutral. So I paired this with black, which gave it more of a date night look. I also paired this with my boots. So these are like really high heel boots, and because there's a lot of flare in the jeans, that's the reason I'm pairing this with high heels. And boots are a perfect way to go with this one. I'm not going to accessorize the outfit much because this is anyways a very loud color, and I like my outfits to be subtle, but at the same time I don't want to be this simple as well. So first thing that I'm going to do is add a waist belt to this. So even if it's a high-waisted jeans, I think you should wear a belt, because this part of the jeans, if it is visible, I think belt is very necessary. Further, I wanted the outfit to be a little more dinner type, so I thought of adding a tote bag with this. So now this is an outfit which will go really well on your Friday nights. It's comfortable, it's easy, it's something which doesn't require a lot of effort because the main pop color is here itself. And what's spoken to the contrary, this is very versatile. I think I made a video on Instagram as well as how you can use these pants in 4 different ways with 4 different colors all together. And this is something which is very versatile. It doesn't look versatile, but it is. This is one of the prettiest jumpsuits that I've ever owned. I am in love with this outfit, mainly because of the color, how comfortable it is, At the same time, this outfit can basically be taken from you to going, you know, on a casual lunch to something which is more a dinner date kind of a situation. And I think this is the color that is suited on everyone. It's not just me. I'm pairing this outfit with a pair of heels. And it's gonna be a struggle to wear these heels. The outfit also comes with a belt, so you do not need to accessorize it much. I'm just wearing a necklace with this. I think something silver would go with this. I'm pairing this with my favorite crossbody bag. It's from Victoria's Secret. I'm sure you guys must have seen this a lot of times on my IG. And I think this is the complete look. This is my Saturday look, you guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Okay, so this is my Sunday brunch outfit. It's a really nice day outfit, and I'm going to pair this with a jacket. It complements really well with the cream color of the dress, and because it's an A-line dress, jacket just adds a little bit of more character to the dress. Okay, my shoe came off. Okay, so I think I'm going to add a few pieces of accessories and with a belt, I think. So the reason that I'm adding a belt right now is because the jacket does not have any buttons on it, and I wanted it to be more of like this. So for the jewelry, I'm gonna go with the ring. I love this ring. I don't know, my mother got this from somewhere. It's really pretty. Yes, or I'm gonna add this necklace. I'm going to wear this, which has to be a struggle because obviously, yeah, I think it looks nice. Last but not the least, I'm going to add my favorite bag. It can be turned into anything. It can be taken as a tote. It can be taken as a sling bag. It can be taken as a crossbody bag. So I think this is it. That's the look.